Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody, on this Friday the 13th. Yeah, 4 o'clock in the morning. Hi, my name is Rich. On what should be a low 80-degree day, maybe 82 after 80 degrees yesterday, but still the main topic of conversation is this weekend storm system and how will it evolve. The last couple of mornings on this video, I've been telling you about there are more questions than answers because the models are all over the place on strength, on timing, on the evolution of the entire storm system. So we'll try to break it down for you. A couple of the models even suggest that there could be warnings in the state in northwest Alabama as early as 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Others are taking it more towards evening. We'll do our best to sort it out for you on this video, and I'm glad you're here this morning. Let's get going. On the map this morning, you see the big storm system out to the west of us, but we're okay today. We're breezy, we're warm, a sun and cloud mix with more sun than clouds, but the big severe weather outbreak from about Iowa all the way down to the western Gulf states, that's a huge area. Could be a lot of tornadoes today. Sun and cloud mix for us today with a high around 82. Tonight's low 64. Winds gusty out of the southwest at about 10 to 18 miles per hour today. Now, I'm going to show you the European, and it's slowest. It shows at 1 p.m., you know, activity just kind of knocking on the door in West Alabama, but it could start much earlier than that, as we've been saying. By 7 p.m., it's got the squall line on Alabama's western border, or what could be the second squall line of the day, perhaps. And then in the middle of the night, it shows a powerful storm system just dominating much of Alabama. And the Storm Prediction Center has an enhanced risk of severe weather covering much of the area, let's say west of I-65, with a slight risk into southeast Alabama, with the threat of all modes of severe weather, including tornadoes. Now, I want to stay on this graphic for a moment. Notice the enhanced risk from the local weather office from about Clanton, including places like Selma, Montgomery, and Troy on southward, and I think that's pretty good. Now, it has a wide range of times from 5 a.m. in the northwest to that last time window you see in the southeast, 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., and these are only guesses. This could be modified. Much uncertainty remains. It could be a long-term event in Alabama tomorrow and into Sunday morning. The available potential energy, the capable of, it's called CAPE, the instability would be strongest across central and south Alabama, and that's where the best threat for severe weather will be. Sunday morning at 7 a.m., still some powerful thunderstorms across eastern and southeastern Alabama, moving out of the state by about 1 p.m., turning breezy and cooler after that. So a very complex situation, but a cool day Monday, in fact, drastically cooler again like the last few storm systems, with a couple of chilly mornings on Monday and Tuesday morning. Tuesday we could be very close to the 40-degree mark, if not 39 perhaps. So we got the showers and thunderstorms coming in at some point tomorrow. Even daytime is possible. And then more likely Saturday night into Sunday morning, all right, with a high around 81 on Sunday, and then only in the low 60s Sunday, only in the low 60s Monday, down to perhaps 39 on Tuesday morning. 1 inch of rain possible in the southeastern counties, 1 to 2 inches across much of eastern Alabama, 2 to 3 inches in the central counties, and 3 inches or more in parts of west Alabama. And that's good for the drought situation. Many of us are in a moderate drought situation. Some of us are in a stage 1 drought situation. We need the rainfall to help quell that situation. Now, let's look at the European out 10 days. It shows the storm system. Well, it shows the warm weather the next couple of days, and the storm system Saturday night into Sunday morning, then sharply cooler with those chilly mornings, then warmer, then another storm system the following week on Sunday, April 23rd. The GFS has the chilliest mornings as Monday and Tuesday mornings. Look at that drastic cool down after the storm system, and then we start to warm up again later on next week. So just some wild weather continues in April, and our weather app keeps you on top of it. It's going to be your best friend this weekend with push notifications for watches and warnings. It knows where you are, and it will give you an instant alert, plus advanced interactive radar down to the neighborhood level. All you have to do is search Rich Thomas Weather in the App Store. So all modes of severe weather are possible with this storm system, including damaging winds, including hail, including the possibility of tornadoes as well. If there's any new additional clearer information this afternoon, I will certainly post that for you. And of course, first thing tomorrow morning, we'll be on top of this with the latest information as well. Have a great day today. Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations, and live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Enjoy what should be a great day today. And I'll have some more information for you later on. We'll stay on top of this, okay?
Rich Thomas weather.